Wake up with Matt in the morning.
Hey guys, Matt here with Matt in the morning, and guess what we're doing today? Smoked queso. Don't know why I said it like that. I'm excited. Check it out down below. It's gonna be real quick because I already have this prepped and ready. Ingredient list will be down in the description, so there went Adeline Bell. So down below here, I got 1 pound of Italian sausage. This should be a whole cube of Velveeta. I only had half, whatever. Velveeta cheese cubed up. Over here I have some smoked Gouda. It's about a ½ pound, should be about a pound. Cubed up. 1 jalapeno diced up. That's about, this is actually, you can't see it all, but it's about 1 onion diced up. It's about 1/4 to 1/2 red, green, yellow bell peppers diced up. This is a can of rotel and a can of green chilies. That's it. That's it. And the thing is, this is super versatile of what you can do with this recipe. You can use any kind of meat you want, use whatever kind of cheese you want, use whatever kind of veggies you want. Mix it up, go crazy, add bacon, do whatever, different sausages. Yeah, I'm gonna throw it on the smoker at 225 for about 1.5 hours to 1 hour 45 minutes. About halfway through, I'll go out and stir it. And I'll show you what it looks like afterwards. This is gonna be a real quick video because this is super quick and simple. I didn't want to bore you with cubing up the cheese. Nobody wants to watch that. I actually cheated and got pre-diced onions and bell peppers, so there's that. This is gonna be good. Oh, cilantro. However much you want with cilantro. A little bit of cilantro about the last 15 minutes or so. That's it. See you in a minute. Oh, Adeline Bell, you wanna say hello? Yeah. Okay. Say hello.
Hello.
Okay, we'll be back. Here we go. Queso is about halfway through. Pull this thing out. I should probably let it go a little bit longer. Let's go ahead and stir it. Getting good and melty there. Get this all stirred in. Yeah, so in my directions it'll have more cheese. Really need more Velveeta than I had. This will still be good, but should have a little bit more cheese. No big deal. I didn't have enough, so here we are. Anyways, there we go. Be done in about 30 to 45 minutes. All right, there we go. It's been about 1.5 hours, 40 minutes, and this stuff's done. As you can see below, it is looking great. Last time I did have some more Velveeta cheese in it. It's fine the way it is. Next time I will add a little bit more. Again, the recipe will be down in the description, so just go down there and see what it's supposed to be. Let's try it out. Oh yeah, smoked queso is the way to go. Listen, and for something a little bit different with dipping with it, veggies. Why not? Why not go veggies for something a little different? Let's see. Yep, just good. Listen, smoked queso is also good on a baked potato, on French fries, anything like that. So there you have it. Hey, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, all that good stuff. And thanks for watching. We'll see you again next time.